I'm going to be introducing you to HTML styles. Now, styling in HTML can be of three types. We have the inline styling, the internal styling, and the external styling. Now, for inline styling, now setting the style of an HTML element, it can be done using the style attribute. That is, in any tag, whether you want to type your head tag, your paragraph tag, or any other tag. If you are not familiar with tags, you can check my previous video about paragraph tag, header tag, and some other 20 other elements or tags which you should know about. So I'm just going to create a simple HTML body tag, and I'm going to style it by changing the background. Now, in order for me to change the background, I'm going to set the attribute to style, and for the style, now you set it equals to a property. Now, the property I want to change for this is background. So, and the value of the background I want to use, let's say I want to use green. That's a weird color, but let's use green. Then you close it with a semicolon. Then let's close our. Then after this, inside our body tag, we should probably have an head tag and one paragraph tag. So let's go ahead and create that. Just a simple h1 tag, which stands for header 1. You should be familiar with that. Then let's say this is the heading. This is the heading of our website. Then let's close this tag. So h1. Then after the h1, let's have a paragraph tag, and let's say this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph, and let's close our paragraph tag too. And lastly, let's close our body tag. Now let's see how this looks like in the browser. As you can see, the entire body of our website, the background has changed into green. Now that is the work of styling. Now, background is not the only thing you can change. Now let's go ahead and change our color. Now for our heading, let's just change the color to white. Let's say style, and the property you want to set is color. So see what color, and let's change our color to blue. Now let's see if this works. Wow, our heading is now in color blue. Now then, our paragraph, we should probably change the font to something like Verdana. So let's go ahead and change that. Style, and I'm going to set that equals to font family. So our font family should be, sorry, I don't know. I'm going to close this tag. Now the font family of our paragraph has changed into Verdana. Now another thing we can also change is our text size. Now if you take a look at our paragraph, it's a little bit small. Now you might want to increase the size, so we can do that by changing the font size. Just change the font size. Now I want it to be so large such that it will even be larger than our head tag, so I'm going to increase it from its initial size to times 3 of its size. So let's change 300%, and let's see how that looks. As you can see, our paragraph is now times 3 since I've changed the font size to 300%. Now apart from that, I want it to be centered, so I'm going to, okay, let's remove this font size and try another HTML style, which is text align. Let's see how that looks. No, now I want to align it to the center. You can align it to anywhere you want, either left, right, or center. But let's see how it looks like at the center. Now if you take a look at our paragraph now, it's now at the center of our web page. Now there are a lot of things you can, or other things you can change with your CSS, but this is not a full CSS tutorial. So, and if you want to know more about internal styling, external styling, and other tips and tricks of CSS, I suggest you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get updated when I drop a new video. Thank you.